Hey everybody,
Hey,
we're here taking a little trip. Go get a car. Going to McKeesport, PA. Got that Pilot Travel Center coffee. Good to the last drop.
me too.
Some good darn coffee right there.
Get her done.
I don't care what they say, but it's decaffeinated. Anybody want to come take a ride with me, just please like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate it. One video at a time, one content at a time. Either I'm playing with cars or I'm building something. Or I'm building something and playing with cars. Either done. Or we're going to get some cars. We do that too.
Yeah.
That's what we do. There's my Uncle Floyd right there. He's got you on the sideline.
Yeah, you get her done. Get her
Look at the
done.
way these people are driving. Too bad I can't reverse my camera to show
Yeah.
these people. It doesn't let me reverse it like that.
There's some crazy ones out here, I guarantee.
Yeah, it is. Real crazy. But here we are. On the road again.
On the road again.
Cannot wait to get on the road again. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Hope you
Yeah,
had
happy Mother's Day.
a Mother's Day everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna jump off of here so we can navigate.